Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post grid photos on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need, it doesn't matter if you're using a Samsung, iPhone, etc. We need to open up our Player App Store and then search for an app called GridMaker. So search for apps, GridMaker, then hit enter. Then from here we want to download the GridMaker here, which says from KMD Apps Photography. It's got 28,000 reviews and 10 million downloads. So go ahead and click on install. And then once that is installed, go ahead and open up the app. But before that, we need to make sure to open up Instagram and make sure you're on the correct account. So yeah, go ahead and do that and then open up GridMaker. And then we want to go allow GridMaker for Instagram to send you notifications. Click allow. And then from here, we need to click on the GridMaker. And you can watch the tutorial if you like, or you can skip and just follow along with my tutorial. So you click on skip. Then from here, just choose your photo. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this image here. And now make sure it's on 4:5. And then from here, we can choose the amount of, so choose the number of grids based on the size of your image. So I'm going to keep this 3x3. If we have a look at 3x4, doesn't really quite work. So yeah, 3x3 works with this photo. So you can have a play around with that. Then from here, click on the green tick on the top right hand corner of the page. Skip out of the video if there's any ads. And then you'd be taken to a page that looks like this. So it says your grids. Tap on the photos in order of their numbers to post the Instagram feed. So I want to click on one. And then it will say, we've added white borders to left and right side of the photo to fit IG's new grid format, but don't worry, they won't show in your grid. And another important note here, on Instagram's cropping screen, zoom out and ensure the entire photo is visible without any parts being cropped. So you can click OK or never show it again. So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. So if I go down, I'm going to choose OK. All right, so we're going to press on the one here and then click on OK. And then we want to click on Instagram. Then you want to click onto feed. And now click on the bottom left hand corner. Then you want to crop the photo like that. And then click on the blue arrow button on the top right. Then it'll say find your vibe. Click OK. And then click next here. Click OK. And then click share. And then click share post. If we go to our story and just continue on for the rest of those images. So if I go back, head back to here, I'm going to choose number 2, click OK, click Instagram, click feed. Then you want to crop to fit the image like so, and click the blue arrow, and then click next, then click OK, and then click share. And yeah, I'm going to continue for the rest of these photos. I'll get back to you and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Alright, so I've just finished doing all that stuff, and as you can see, I have successfully created a puzzle feed grid post on Instagram.